Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss what is the difference between driver.close and driver.quit method. Okay. Before moving on the this differences, if you are coming on my YouTube channel first time or you have not subscribed the channel, so subscribe it and click on bell icon so that when I upload any new video, you will get the notification. Okay, so now let me move what is the difference between driver.quit and driver.close method. Okay, so both method are using to close the browser sessions. Okay, and but there are some differences. Okay, now I'm going to proceed from my previous video, previous session. Okay, so I have already created the examples. These example I have created for the window switching concept. So if you have not gone through that, you can check my previous video. Okay, so now if I run this code, so what it will do, it will just open the browser. Okay, click on this button and we will get here the two windows. Okay, suppose that if we want to close this particular window, this only one window. Okay, so how we do that? So in that case, we can call the driver.close method. Like here, driver.close method. And then I'm going to run now this. So now you can see the child window is automatically closed. So when we are using the driver.close method, so what it will do, it will close only the browser, a current window. Okay, this will not close the complete, destroy the session, all the browser, this will not close. This will only close the current browser. Okay, and session will also still there. Like suppose that if I close this window before getting this text. Okay, so what I will get, let me show. Yeah, here we will get the target window, no such window, target window already closed. Okay, because this will close the browser, this will not destroy the session. But if I use here the driver.quit, so what will happen? Let me show what I will get. Okay, so you can see both browser will close. Let me run again and show you. All the both Chrome browser will close, not only one. Yeah, both browser is closed. And what we will get here, we will get session ID is null, because after this I am trying to use the WebDriver object, and here we are getting using session ID is null using WebDriver after calling quit. Okay, it means when we create the driver.quit, it will close all the browser. This will destroy the session. After that, we cannot do anything. Okay, we will get the exception errors. This no such session. Okay, but if we are using the driver.close, so session will not destroy. Only the browser window will close. Okay. So that's why driver.quit we are always using at the end, means when we want to close complete session, our execution will complete and we want to destroy the session, then we can use the driver.quit. This will automatically close all the instances, all the browsers, okay, which are opened by current session, and then session will also destroy. But if we are using driver.close, then that will close only the current window. Okay, so that will not close the parent. Like all the windows. Like if I call here this dot close, so which browser this will close? This will close the parent browser. Child browser like pop-up will still open. That will be open. Why? Because I have switched here the parent window. At that time, our focus is the child window. So if I call, sorry, parent window, if I call the driver.close, then this will close only the parent window, not child window. Yeah, you can see child window is still open. Child window is not closed. So now it's clear what is the difference between driver.quit and driver.close. So driver.close will close only the current window, while driver.quit will close, destroy the session as well as it will close all the browser. After that we cannot do anything. But if we are using close browse close and we have multiple windows, we can switch on any window and we can like continue our execution. Okay, so hope this will clear your concepts. What is the driver.close and driver.quit? And thanks for watching the video.